Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. OMG you guys, we have another super hot topic for today, and actually this is an emergency vlog and I have to push out the scheduled vlog for today so that I could share this super big news that I really can't wait to share to you guys. And this is regarding Louis Vuitton's latest bag collection, Spring Summer 2022. So if you want to find out more regarding this big news, the rebirth of the Nano Speedy, and a whole lot of new bag from Louis Vuitton, then stay tuned. Hi guys, Ron here, Suking Budgetarian Fashionista. I vlog about the latest news about fashion. I do luxury shopping vlogs, hauls, and unboxings. I also do bag reviews and provide styling tips. I'm inviting you to join our growing family by clicking this cute little icon here so you could easily subscribe and I could welcome you to our growing family. Also, hit that notification bell and give me the thumbs up to help me with the algorithm of YouTube. Also guys, please do follow me on instagram.com/Ramirafy so you could get daily updates and styling tips coming from me. Alright, I'm really super excited to be sharing this to you guys. Actually, this is a good conversation for today because remember, I did a vlog regarding the game plan of Louis Vuitton. This is regarding the price increase, so if you haven't seen that, I'm going to link it up here and put it in the description box. So on that vlog, I have discussed the game plan of Louis Vuitton. Like, are they really going to push out the everyone's beloved monogram canvas, the Demi Azur and the Demi Ebene? Are they really going to push that out, and are they really going to concentrate more of the leather bags? So for this preview of Louis Vuitton's Spring Summer 2022 bag collection, we would have an idea whether Louis Vuitton would really go to the leather route, or are they still going to have a mix of, continue with the monogram plus leather. So let us begin. I'm super excited guys. Alright, so let us begin. So again, thank you so much to Foxy LV for sharing this info. So with this one, she has actually shared some photos regarding the preview of the Spring Summer 2022 capsule collection, and OMG. So again guys, apologies if the photo and video is a little bit blurry, but OMG, when I have seen this one, my first word is OMG and went straight directly to the what I thought is a Nano Speedy. So firstly, let us dissect this photo and video here. So if you are going to notice on the mannequins, you are going to see that there are like belts wearing across their shoulders. So what caught my attention, so of course, the leather belt. So are you seeing that one guys? The leather vachetta belt, and if you are going to zoom in, it comes with 3 bags included with this vachetta belt. So we have the Micro or Nano Alma, then we have the Nano Neo Noe, and we have a Super Nano Speedy. I believe these are much smaller than the regular Nano that we used to know, and that all of you guys, because I don't have them, so all of you guys have. So that one, so again, those are made with monogram and vachetta, so those really called my attention. Then of course, in front of them, you are going to see what looks like a Nano Speedy. So later, I'm going to discuss more regarding the size of this one, this Nano Speedy bag, but you're going to see what's different with this little Speedy bag is the zipper. You're going to notice that the zipper, it doesn't just, you can open it like the newer Speedy bags that we have right now, where you could open a little bit on the side, top and on the side. So if you are going to notice, you could see that here. So again, this is made of monogram canvas. Then if we are going to take a look more of the bags here on this photo, so I'm happy that they are continuing with the Petit Sac Plat line, because I have my Petit Sac Plat and I would want to have more on that collection. Then of course, they have super gorgeous print for the Félicie pochette and the pochette, mini pochette accessoire, as you could see that there. Sorry guys, I'm mumbling. Then of course, I think if I'm not mistaken, the name of this one is the Easy Pouch on Strap. So you could also see it on the mannequin, and also there's the mini scallop pouch, and another preview of the what you call this, the mini pochette accessoire. So let us move on to the next photo. So again here, so we have a color combo of blue and browns. But again, what caught my attention with this second photo and video is I directly zoom in to the Speedy's bag. So again guys, as of this point, we are not sure if the bigger one is a nano size. And then there's a super tiny Speedy. As you can see right in front of that blue nano Speedy, there is a super cute tiny Speedy bag. OMG guys, right? So as you can see on this photo as well, so they have the well-beloved pochette métis, the on the go, and I'm not sure if this is the boat chapeau. So let us move on to the next photo. So here on the third photo guys, again, be honest with me, where did your eyes go? So for me, it went directly to the Speedies again. So there are two, no, just one pink Speedy with the, so the color is pink and it has the monogram logo. So as of this point, I cannot verify if this is leather or canvas, but you could see that it has a vachetta leather. So if I'm not mistaken, the one in front of the pink nano Speedy is another mini pochette accessoire. Then right beside it, like the hobo, the crescent shaped bag. So this one, I believe I've seen this one at the cruise collection of Louis Vuitton, so in which I've done a vlog. So also they have the famous COUSSINs, the Dauphine that they are currently pushing right now, and they also have the LV twist. So with this preview, I like the diamond quilting. I'm not sure if it's quilting, but the diamond print or design. It looks really cute and it looks really luxurious. Alright, next is the accessories of the Spring Summer 2022 collection. So for this one, I could see a lot of very good accessories and charms that Louis Vuitton is producing. But again guys, my eyes, shook, it got, you know, it zoomed in immediately to the very cute Speedies on the very right side. So you're going to notice, I believe this is a charm, the super cute ultra nano micro Speedy bag. So I'm not really sure what you could fit it in. So it's made of the monogram canvas and it has the vachetta strap and leather, vachetta strap and vachetta handle. Then it comes with the small, right beside it is a small vanity. So it comes with in the reverse monogram canvas. Then just below it guys, this is what I really love on the accessory collection, would be the gold Speedy. It comes with a gold chain, so I am praying and I am hoping that this is a necklace, because if it is a necklace, then definitely I would want to own this really cute micro ultra nano Speedy necklace, because it's super cute. It's so quirky, it's super cute, and it would fit into my style directly. So alright, so the next that we are going to discuss is just like what I mentioned during our intro, would be what I call the rebirth of the Nano Speedy. So we all know how well loved and how difficult it is to get your hands on a Nano Speedy nowadays. So currently it is not available via the LouisVuitton.com and on stores. But you could get them pre-loved. But definitely it would be nicer for me personally, because I still don't have this, for me to get it directly at the boutique. So again, Foxy LV shared this, so hopefully this is, you know, what included with the preview Spring Summer 2022 collection. So this is the Speedy 20. This is a little bit bigger with the Nano Speedy that we currently have. So this one, of course, just like the Speedies that we have, or that you have, like what I mentioned, is made of monogram canvas. It comes with an untreated vachetta leather, and there is already an upgrade. So number one, of course, like what I mentioned, this is a little bit bigger from the Nano Speedy. So later I'm going to try to include the photo here of the comparison. But this one, the size of this one on the base is 7.9 inches. So that's almost 10 inches on the base. The height is 5.9 inches and with the width of 4.7. So the upgrade, so that's one, the size. Another upgrade of this one, so as you know, the regular, I'm sorry guys, it's a little bit noisy. So as you know, the regular Nano Speedy, the cons of that one, there are two things that I could see. Number one would be the non-detachable shoulder strap. So with the Nano Speedy, it's just fixed. Then of course the zipper of that one, it's just on top. But for the Speedy 20, so the first upgrade would be of either the second up. So the first upgrade would be the size. Second upgrade would be the detachable shoulder strap. So hopefully it comes with this very cute guitar or thick. I'm not sure if this is canvas, but the guitar or the thick shoulder strap that comes with the Louis Vuitton logo. So it comes in two different colors with this photo. So it comes with pink and the black one. So good, it's detachable. So if you don't like this one because you feel it's a little bit casual, so you could style it on your own. The next upgrade, the third one that I could see definitely would be the zipper. So it now resembles the newer Speedies that we have. So the zipper is not just on top, so you could open it a little bit on the side, the top, then on the side. So you could open it a little bit bigger and you can put your stuff in and get them out without any hassle at all. So the con of this bag, guys, I'll be honest, so would be the vachetta. You know how I am afraid, and to be honest, I don't want my bags to have any untreated vachetta on them. So as you could see here, the vachetta that it comes with, it's almost white, so meaning it's untreated. So you have to just be very, very careful for this one. So I've made a little bit photo here, guys, of a little bit comparison because as you know, there are already a couple of Speedies, so for us to have like a visual on the different sizes of Speedies. So guys, this is just an estimate, so this is what I'm thinking what their sizes would be. So firstly, of course, we have the Nano Speedy. So I will just be mentioning the sizes on the base. So for the Nano Speedy, it's 6.3 inches on the base, and then of course the Speedy 20, the base of this one is 7.9 inches. And then of course we have the Speedy 22. So for the Speedy 22 or the Speedy Bandolier 22, the base of this one is 8.7 inches. And of course the Speedy 25, the base of this one is 9.8 inches. So this is how I am imagining the sizes would look like. So what do you think, guys? If you would be given a choice, which one would be your favorite? So as for me, of course, the Nano Speedy. I wish during that time that my CA showed this to me a couple of years ago, I wish I have really purchased this one. So I missed that chance. But for the sorry guys, but for the Speedy 20, this is the next bag, the next best thing for me in my opinion. So I would definitely want to have this and include it on my wish list definitely. There, how did you like our emergency super hot topic for today? So hope you like that, guys. So we have two things that I would like to discuss to conclude this one. So like what I've mentioned, what is the game plan of Louis Vuitton? So looking at the preview of the Spring Summer 2022 collection, so we have seen maybe 30 to 40% of the newer bags and accessories of Louis Vuitton is made of the monogram canvas. So yay! So that is one good news. So it means that Louis Vuitton would definitely keep their monogram canvas. So hopefully, guys, this is just my opinion. So hopefully I am correct that they are not scrapping entirely their monogram canvas, because again, scrapping their monogram canvas, I feel that this is not, or this will not be a good move for Louis Vuitton. And the second point, guys, would be the rebirth of the Nano Speedy. So what do you think, guys? So I like what I mentioned earlier, the Speedy 20, this is somewhat a little bit bigger, maybe an inch or half an inch bigger than the Nano Speedy, but this is definitely an upgrade and I really want to have this one, and definitely check it's already added to my collection. So as you know, there's so much upgrade with the Speedy 20. So the size, the zipper, and of course the detachable shoulder strap. So the vachetta, so I'll just try to work around with that one, but definitely good job with the Rebirth of NANO Speedy. And like what I mentioned, guys, OMG, the necklace, the Speedy necklace, just can't wait to see that in person. So hopefully, guys, I was able to share some new information regarding the up-and-coming bags of Louis Vuitton for Spring Summer 2022. So OMG, so definitely Louis Vuitton doesn't want us to save money. They want to rob us by designing these very good bags and by returning the classics and upgrading them. So I think it's also a good sign that they are upgrading their classic. So again, another topic is with the toiletry pouch. They have removed it on the LouisVuitton.com. Yes, they have removed it, but as you know, guys, like me, I was able to get my hands on the toiletry pouch 26 and other also Louis Vuitton collectors. So all of us are saying that you can order them directly with your CA. So, and then there are rumors that it's just been pulled out temporarily so that they couldn't upgrade. So who knows? So like with the Speedy, that they have upgraded the Nano Speedy to this new one. So hopefully in the future, they may upgrade the designs for the toiletry pouch. Alright, so before we end our episode today, let's do comment of the day. I would like to say thank you to Kay Buizon. Kay, thank you so much for your lovely, lovely comments of saying that you love our video and our style. Thank you so much, Kay, for watching. Welcome to our family, and I will see you in our next vlog. Alright, so again, guys, I'm inviting you to join our growing family. There's a cute little icon here, so please click on this one so you could easily subscribe, and I could say welcome to our family. Also, hit that notification bell. So again, 2 vlogs I publish every Wednesdays and Saturdays are 4 shopping vlogs. And help me out, guys, with the YouTube algorithm by clicking the like button or giving me the thumbs up. Please do follow me on Instagram.com/Ramira5 so you could get daily updates and styling tips coming from me. Again, guys, thank you so much for staying with me on this emergency super hot topic of vlog for today. Hope you enjoyed this one, and if there are more new news about fashion, definitely I will be doing this more often for you guys. So please do stay safe. I will see you on our next vlog adventure. Bye!